Hey guys, I'm doing a tutorial today on some Velcro rollers and how to roll them up and get some big volume. So let's get started. First we're going to take the front section, all these bangs, brush them. These for the bangs I'm going to go forward, all the rest I'm going to go back except the sides I'm going to go up. So what I do is I get the straight iron, give it some heat, run it through once. Get one of these big nice Velcro rollers and I'm gonna roll it all the way up. I just take a bobby pin and grip that. Good. Then section behind. Good. Give a little brush with your straightening iron, doesn't matter which one, as long as it's got heat. Take your roller, and this one we're going to go back. So, rolling it back, and pin it. Alright, next, piece behind that. Hot iron it, get it nice and warm so that when you put the curlers in, that heat will set the curl. Back, throw a bobby pin in there, secure it. Okay, then we're going to go here to the side, take a section. Iron, curler, and roll that up so that when you get that out, it's going to give you a nice big curl there. Good, one right there. Other section, take that, get a little brush, hot iron, Velcro roller, and curl it. Nice. Secure that. And then from there, after I do those two, these three in the front, I just kind of pull sections. So little pieces that I want to get volume. I have 9 of these little rollers, so might as well use them all. Secure it. Okay, another section kind of between those two in the back and in the front. Some heat. And you really don't have to do it with the straightening iron. I've done it before with the curling iron. Just really so that you can get some heat on the hair before you stick it up into the curl. Secure. And I'm just grabbing random pieces now for the last two. Alright, so I'm done with my 9 curlers and I'm going to let that set for 20 minutes. Alright, after 20 minutes we're back. Time to take them out. So, I'm going to start here with this front one. Pull it, brush through. Yep. And there. Go back. You can just pull them out randomly. Good. And there you go. And then I kind of like to spray with my favorite hairspray of all time, L'Oreal Elnet, and I get the extra strong hold. So I'm just kind of bring it back, style it a little bit, and spray. There we go. And that's really light spray. I don't usually like to spray that much, but thanks for watching. That's my big volume tutorial with Velcro rollers, and I look forward to my next video so I can share with you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.